Grow thick, healthy, hair fast. All you need is 10 powerful natural remedies. Ever wondered how natural remedies can genuinely enhance your hair growth? In this video, you'll learn more. As you watch, what are 10 natural remedies to promote hair growth and thickness? These remedies are scientifically proven to stop hair loss and grow long, thick hair. Using natural herbs to promote hair growth is not a new concept. It's an age-old practice used for centuries in traditional medicine. Too much hair fall? Try rosemary oil. First up is rosemary herbal plant. Did you know rosemary is a natural hair growth stimulator? Rosemary is one of the most powerful natural herbs for hair growth. Rosemary is a small green plant with needle-like leaves. It grows in warm places and smells really fresh, like a mix of pine trees and mint. Rosemary is a natural remedy for your hair. Research suggests that you can use the oil from the rosemary plant to help make your hair grow thicker. Here's how to use it. Take a few drops of rosemary essential oil, mix it with a carrier oil like olive oil, and massage it gently onto your scalp. Do this twice a week, and you'll notice a big difference in hair thickness. For even better results, wrap your hair in a warm towel after applying the oil to help it penetrate deeper. Cool, right? Are you dealing with dandruff? Next, we have aloe vera gel. Slice open the aloe vera because the gel is the perfect natural remedy for your scalp. It's like the ultimate hair hero. Yes, aloe vera is good for hair. Aloe vera is a green, spiky plant. Inside its thick leaves, there's a clear, jelly-like gel that people have used for a long time to treat dandruff and to make hair grow longer and fuller. Scientific studies suggest that aloe vera is like a superfood for your hair and scalp. Scoop out the gel from a fresh aloe vera leaf and massage it directly onto your scalp. Leave it on for 20 minutes before washing your hair. Did you know aloe vera also helps balance the pH levels of your scalp? This can further prevent dandruff and itchiness, which are significant barriers to hair growth. It keeps your scalp balanced and clean and strengthens your hair strands. 3. Castor oil. Castor oil is a magic potion for your hair and scalp. Is castor oil really good for your hair? Castor oil is a thick, sticky oil made from the seeds of the castor plant. Castor oil is packed with natural nutrients that promote hair growth. It might not look fancy, but it works wonders to help you grow long, strong hair. Warm up some castor oil and apply it to your scalp and hair ends. Let it sit overnight, then rinse it out the next day. For optimum results, use it once a week. Did you know that castor oil contains ricinoleic acid? Ricinoleic acid helps reduce inflammation and improve scalp health. Try combining castor oil with almond oil for added hair, shine, and softness. Next, onion juice. Onion juice is a powerful natural remedy for your hair. Research suggests it's packed with sulfur, a powerful compound that boosts collagen production, perfect for hair growth. Onion juice might sound like a crazy thing to put on your hair, but it's actually one of the best natural remedies for thick, long hair. Why is onion juice so powerful? This is because onions are packed with sulfur. Onion juice is rich in sulfur, which helps make keratin, the protein your hair needs to grow strong and thick. Onion juice can stop hair fall. Onion juice strengthens hair roots, reducing hair loss. Also, if you're looking to regrow your hair on a bald spot, onion juice can help. Moreover, onion juice has antibacterial properties which help maintain healthy hair. It can help treat dandruff and scalp infections while promoting healthy hair. Its antibacterial properties help keep your scalp clean, fight dandruff-causing germs, soothe the scalp, and encourage clean hair. How to use onion juice for faster hair growth and toe-top hair fall. Peel and blend. Blend an onion and strain the juice. Apply it to your scalp and leave it on for 15 minutes. Use a cotton pad or your fingers to gently massage the juice into your scalp. Let it work its magic. Yes, it smells strong, but it's worth it. Rinse well and shampoo. Wash with a mild shampoo to remove the onion smell. Can you make your hair stronger? Next up are fenugreek seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with protein, iron, and vitamins that can make your hair incredibly strong. They can help prevent hair loss. Fenugreek seeds can strengthen weak, fine hair and prevent your hair from thinning. Scientific studies suggest ways to use fenugreek natural remedy for hair growth. Soak 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds overnight. Grind them into a paste and apply it to your scalp and hair for 30 minutes before rinsing. This water contains nutrients that can strengthen your hair. After shampooing, use it as a final rinse. It's an easy way to add an extra boost to your hair care routine. Fenugreek seed water can promote faster and stronger hair growth. This water may prevent hair loss. Fenugreek water strengthens hair roots, thus reducing hair loss and thinning. Adds shine and softness. Fenugreek is a natural conditioner, leaving hair smooth and silky. Fights dandruff. This water has antifungal properties that help keep the scalp clean and free from flakes. Number 6. Coconut milk. Grow thick hair. Fast with coconut milk, a powerful natural remedy for hair. Coconut milk is packed with vitamins and fats that strengthen your hair. Apply fresh coconut milk directly to your scalp and hair. Let it sit for 30 minutes before rinsing it out. It's like giving your hair a spa treatment. For an extra nourishing mask, mix coconut milk with honey and a few drops of vitamin E oil. Sucker 7. Use eggs as a natural hair care remedy. An egg mask is a natural, ultimate protein treatment for hair loss in men and women. Want long, thicker, fuller hair? An egg mask can prevent hair loss by strengthening the roots and follicles, reducing hair loss. Making an egg hair mask is super easy. Here's how. What you need. 1 egg, use 2 if your hair is long. 1 tablespoon of olive oil or coconut oil. 1 tablespoon of honey, optional for extra moisture. Crack the egg into a bowl and whisk it well. Add the olive oil and honey if using, then mix everything together. Apply the mixture to your hair, focusing on the roots and ends. Leave it on for 20-30 minutes. Rinse with cool water, not hot, or the egg might cook in your hair. Your hair loves protein, and eggs are one of the best foods with protein. Additionally, eggs are packed with biotin and vitamins for hair repair. These essential nutrients help strengthen and nourish your hair strands. So, why are eggs so good for your hair? Rich in protein. Hair is primarily composed of keratin. Keratin is a type of protein. Therefore, eggs provide essential building blocks that promote long, thick hair. Full of biotin. Biotin is the top vitamin for hair growth, as it helps prevent hair thinning and breakage. 8. Grow thick hair, quickly with green tea. Another natural herbal remedy for your hair. Grow thick, healthy hair fast with green tea. Green tea is another natural remedy for hair, packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and natural compounds. Wait. Green tea isn't just for drinking. It's a powerful natural remedy for your hair. After shampooing, rinse your hair with cooled green tea. It's packed with antioxidants that promote hair growth and prevent hair fall. You can even make a green tea spray and use this every day for a refreshing scalp treatment. Are you fed up with thinning hair? Number 9. Try hibiscus flower. Want thicker, fuller, healthier hair? Try the lovely red flower of the hibiscus plant. Hibiscus is another herb making waves in the natural hair care world. The hibiscus flower is a natural remedy for hair growth. It is rich in vitamins that help strengthen. Hibiscus strengthens hair roots, prevents hair loss, and gives your hair a nice shine. Hibiscus is not just a pretty flower. It's a game changer for hair. It strengthens roots, prevents split ends, and makes your hair shiny. Is a hibiscus hair mask good for hair? Yes, it is. Blend the petals into a paste with water and apply it as a mask. Leave it on for 30 minutes before washing. 10. Avocado is a natural remedy for promoting vibrant hair health, and it can help you achieve thick, long, strong, and healthy hair quickly. Looking for a powerful natural remedy for healthier hair? Try avocados. Scientific studies suggest that avocado is packed with vitamins for hair health, biotin, and essential nutrients that deeply nourish your scalp and hair, making it stronger, shinier, and less prone to hair fall. By adding an avocado hair mask to your hair care routine, you'll get thick, long, shiny, and healthy hair fast. How to use avocado as a natural remedy for your hair. First, mash 1 ripe avocado in a bowl. Then, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil for added hydration. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair, focusing on dry areas. Leave it on for 30-45 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. With herbs like rosemary, aloe vera, and hibiscus, you can say goodbye to harsh chemical treatments and hello to healthy, luscious locks.